So I haven't done a video in a while. This will be part 6. Um, Here's the body. There's the door. It goes on the back of it. There's the side panels that are going on my bike. The 93 to 96 is what these are. And they fit on. I had to do a little modification on this one to get the whole line up. But it still fits the bike. It looks good, and it hooks in because they've got little hooks. I don't know how the others do, if they hook in or whatever. But this is what I went with. This is what the guy said would probably work. So that's what we went in. If you notice, it's orange. My bike is orange. This is a sealer. I've already put the primer on. I'm to the sealer. I'm doing the chore I hate the worst, and that is water sanding. This is my little redneck paint booth. This is a Harbor Freight frame. One of those canopies, and then a little duct tape. And this is your 3M masking plastic. Paint this side up, blah, blah, blah. You cover areas so you don't get paint on it. Well, I just make the paint booth out of it. And there's the door. It just hooks in that wooden block down there and loops right here. There's a little gap, but it don't matter. Box fan. I've got my lights. I mean, you make a paint booth out of about anything you want. There's the tube that the box fan goes outside the door. I live in a metal building, and hope I didn't mess that light up. Let's see. Nope. Sitting fine. I've got another one there. Spotlight over there you can't see, but plenty of light when I'm painting. It's just water sanding I hate. This is the part I hate the worst. There's one of my other lights. It's a junky place, but I got a bunch of Harley golf cart parts, which I'm going to sell that. Well, let's go to the bike. Alright, this is a temporary fender set I've made for the bike. I got me a bag for my tools, turn signals, lights here, and then these lights work. This is just poly metal off an old signboard. Keep the mud and stuff and whatever you get off, which if you look at the frame, which I actually washed it, it's not as bad as it was. Scripture all over it. The bike performs admirably. If you have a 5-speed, you're going to have to put the 29 tooth front pulley in on. And if you've got a later one with the skinny belts, your inch and 1.8", I just go ahead and ditch them, spend the extra money, and get an 1.5" belt. Get an 1.5" pulley on the back, 65 tooth, get a 29 on the front, and it will work well with your 5-speed. I went to Montgomery last weekend, and she runs what you want to run. You'll run as fast as you want to run, and it's got power to pull when you're at that speed. The 65 tooth, well, it is what it is. I didn't design the rear end, but that's what I recommend, is putting a smaller pulley on the front, and that'll get your power back. And she had plenty. 70 miles an hour is turning 3,000 RPM in 5th gear. So once you're down in your 40s, just drop to 4th gear. It shifts fine. I love it. It's what I wanted. It rides great, having the rear end raised up. I did have to readjust my headlight. I kept riding at night and thought, my light's not very bright. And, well, it was pointed down because the rear end came up. So the light was pointing down. So I've adjusted it. A few more things to do here, and more sanding on the body. I hate water sanding. I'm getting too old for this crap. But anyway, this is where we're at. This will probably be the last video. I might do a 7 with, any other things I find out wrong or that I didn't like about it. And then you'll get to sit with the body on it, turn signals and everything else. So you have a good day, and I hope these videos help you.